Where are we going to?
To Dr. Baskua. Going to a chiropractor to look at my back and my left glute after the tournament. Feeling that a little bit. So hopefully just make sure that everything is fine, one, but also to sort of enable me to, I don't know what, continue to practice this week, or let's say train a little bit. I'm just in a bit of pain, so just want to make sure that the body's still alright. Although it's not going to be much work on the squash court. You do a bit of off-court work based on how the tournament went, things that I've learned, but I want to make sure that my body is good before doing that this week. So I'm going to go see my housemate at his workplace, sort my back out, Dr. Baskua. And yeah, he's probably going to crack my neck, crack my back. So it's actually going to be fun. Maybe he won't need to crack my neck because I crack it myself, but yeah, he's going to obviously feel what's not aligned, what is aligned, and just give me recommendations.
See how that goes.
I just want to crack your back.
Nah.
What you can do.
You have a right.
Needles. You want to put the needle there? There's a needle. Yes. Hey, where is it going?
Wait.
Yeah.
You want me to turn?
Oh, it's weird. Oh, shit. My body's twitchy.
Yes, that's a response to the needle.
Gee, you're still through the pants. Sick.
Just the one.
Huh?
That one you might, this one you might feel into the head.
I want what?
Feel it into the head.
Yo. Good Lord, what's up right there?
Yeah, that's it.
Is the needle still in there?
No.
Interesting. It feels like a sharp pain in my left trap.
So your trap runs from up here
Yeah.
down to there,
Yeah.
and then also all the way down to here.
Oh, okay. That's why. My knee is responding.
Keep feeling in the knee.
Yeah. I'm trying to listen to this child. I'm going to ask him to do it to your car. We'll see. Yeah, I feel like a Venice chicken hot is good. Sure.
Very nice. Tickles your back.
I don't know what it is in between the two. Oh, okay, that's painful. Do the same on your cock. We'll do the same on your cock, so you know what I feel like. Relax it.
Yeah. Yeah, just keep breathing. Try to relax.
I'll try. So what?
Iliosaurus.
Iliosaurus, what is it supposed to do?
Hip flex.
Oh, is that right? Oh, the hip flex is just by. Oh.
Okay, keep breathing.
Breathe out of it.
Just breathe. Okay, almost done. Almost done.
Let's give you one of those chewing sticks. Well, Imola, when she does the other side, the ITB side, that's worse. Yo. Never mind. No, we're good. Why are you doing inside my cheeks? Feels good but painful. The feelings there, like this. Sure. I'm done. Okay. That feels nice. Sure.
So you go again.
I don't know what the needles have to conquer the fear of needles. Oh, yeah, there we go. I felt it out. Ice pack. What?
10 minutes.
Ah.
So it's all the discomfort.
Can I still do other stuff? My general stuff. Go to the gym or should I have to
What are you
actually
planning to do?
just cycle? As long as I'm not doing any presses. Sure. Feel lightheaded. Not in a bad way, but like the weight of the world off my shoulders.
So it is what it feels like.
Yeah, it's like feel fresh, new.
Seems like you can nap.
I could man. Can you hear me? Rain is gone. Babushon.
First reaction.
It's gonna be a bright and sunshiny day.
How was it, my love?
It was nice. Feel like a new man.
New man.
Feel like a new baba.
No, that's good. So you're gonna go again?
I'll go when you're not there.
Oh, what?
Just like inside went. Without you. You also wanna go?
Were you scared of the needle?
I was scared of it. You know I don't like needles.
I know. But it worked out fine.
Yeah. It is very
Life is
stiff though.
very good.
Like it feels stiff.
Hmm.
As Andrew says, like you've done traps.
Yeah. But it's cool. It's also very cool to see, to be honest.
you like seeing people do these things. You like seeing people torture me, yeah?
No, but it's
When I got
interesting
waxed, you were there laughing.
because he gets the trigger points and like the points in the muscles. It's like it's science basically. How
course.
to get the right muscles and stuff.
Yes.
It's very interesting.
It's very interesting about you.
Yeah. I should probably get done as well.
Yes. And I can fall.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then I can laugh at you. Hey,
I wasn't really laughing. I did find it interesting. But I wasn't properly laughing. Gonna get bread.
bread. For cookies.
Oh no! Here goes the diet.